I want to personally invite you to join my elite group called Restaurant Masterminds. 4 years ago, I joined my first mastermind group, and I have to tell you honestly, the only regret I have is that I didn't join one sooner. It totally changed my business, and I have not looked back since. I want you to feel that same way. I want you to see you and your restaurant not only survive this pandemic, I want you to thrive. You've worked hard to get here, and we're sure as hell not gonna let a virus take down all of our hard work. If you haven't signed up yet, you still have time. Take the leap with me, and I promise I won't let you fall. Only those that risk going past their comfort zone will ever see just how far they truly can go. You have more inside of you than you think you do. I know this because here you are watching this video. Allow me to show you a new level of success and confidence that a mastermind group can truly give you. You just have to take some action and sign up now. You deserve success. You deserve to be happy. Allow me to help you get it all.